Hello friends! In this tutorial, we continue working with simple geometric shapes. Let's dive right in. On the left side, you'll notice several tools. Among them is the rectangle tool. We can also explore other geometric shapes by clicking the arrow on the Tools panel. First, let's start by drawing a rectangle. Go to the area where you want to draw and simply drag your mouse. Now, I'll demonstrate on the template I prepared earlier. Think of this as just a guide. Start from the top left corner and drag the mouse to the bottom right corner. There you go, a rectangle is drawn this way. If you want to draw a rectangle of specific dimensions, click on an empty space and enter the dimensions you want. If the small chain icon in the upper right corner is active, both sides will adjust proportionally. Now, let's move on to drawing a square. Go to any corner, hold down the Shift key, and drag to the opposite corner. The pink markers that appear on the screen help ensure that the square is drawn correctly. Similarly, to draw the square from the center outward, place your cursor at the center, hold down both the Shift and Alt keys, and draw the square from the center outwards. Next, let's use the Ellipse tool. You can either press the L key on your keyboard or select it from the Tools panel to start drawing an ellipse. Begin from the top left corner and drag your mouse to form the ellipse. If you want to draw an ellipse or a circle with specific dimensions, click on an empty space and enter the dimensions. For example, you can draw a 100 × 100 circle. To draw another circle, go to any corner, hold down the Shift key, and drag to the opposite corner. If you want to create it from the center, hold down the Shift and Alt keys while drawing your circle. Now, let's move on to drawing polygons. When you select the Polygon tool, click on an empty area and choose the number of sides you want. For instance, select a hexagon with 6 sides and draw it. You can increase or decrease the number of sides by using the control bar located at the top of the screen. The next shape is a triangle. To draw a triangle, select the Polygon tool, set the number of sides to 3, and draw it. If you don't like this triangle, you can start from any point and draw your triangle in any shape you desire. Lastly, let's draw a star. Select the Star tool and set the number of points you want. For example, you can draw a 5-pointed star. If you hold down the Shift and Alt keys while drawing, the star will be drawn proportionally. Let's draw an 8-sided star. Again, select the Star tool, set the number of sides, and draw your star. Now a different star has appeared. If you hold down the Shift and Alt keys, the star will be drawn proportionally. That's it for our basic geometric shapes. Until our next lesson, take care. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Thank you.